Hey guys, it's Kid Gamer 42 here with part 6 of Lego the Hobbit. Last time on Lego the Hobbit, we dealt with Radagast, bunnies. We saved some bunnies. We went into a cave and got some swords. And now, this bozo forgot to record. Matthew, I was going to get to that. Sure you were, laddie. And I did some stuff with Matthew. So yes, early on, unlike that thing that happened in Lego Harry Potter, I found out I wasn't recording. So all you missed was a cutscene talking about the Morgul blade and how they're now on a cave. So let's begin. One of my least.
By the advice of the elves and the White Council, the dwarves continued their journey to the Lonely Mountain. Their travels took them over a high pass where the weather took a turn for the worse.
This is one of those separate screen things. Yeah, I think this is my least favorite level. I'm not for sure. I don't remember why, but I do not like it. Oh, we need a lever. Oh, there's the lever. Jump. Wait, I want to go look for some more minerals. No, no more? Okay. Oh, geez, that's annoying. Wait, what's in here? What? There's nothing in there. What's that? I don't like rocks, so I'll mess with them. Jeez, that noise is annoying. You said what? Oh, I think I found some iron or silver or something. I recently went checking and I don't have any silver or something. Oh, I see. What? No, this is diamond. Whoa, snap, this is diamond. Oh, that's diamond. Oh, that was diamond. Oh, it doesn't tell us to switch yet, so let's keep moving. Okay. Bofer, we need you to come break up this blue stuff. No, I think it's best that we turn into the hobbits and then. Alright, let's wait. Oh, and I feel upset because this team down here doesn't have any miners. Yes, there's only one miner. It's up here. Let's go get that red stuff. What now? We're here. What is it? Are we supposed to do something down here, or? Oh, there's a hook. Okay, I see. Let's do this. Now we go back up. Bofer. Dude, you have a big sword. Okay. Button machine. No, we need to do that. Oh, okay, let's see what we need. Okay, got that, got that, got that, got that, and got that. That was fast. Okay, we need that. Now that. And that. That. Oops. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Oh, it just... It's a goat. Oh, snap. Okay. Just keep moving. Oh, snap! Do this. Oh, we just got a crotch shot. Oh, uppercut. Snap. No. It's really obvious who I want to turn into, game. No! How about somebody actually near to him? That sounds like something logical. And one thing I don't like about newer Lego games, it lets you turn into the person. It lets you just turn into any willy-nilly person. In the original game, it was only if you were in the original games. It was only if you were close enough to him. So if one of those if you needed one of those characters and that character that you needed got lost, well, have fun going and tracking him down. But it get kind of good, but now it's kind of getting old with like stuff how it gets. I don't remember what I was going to say, but it has something to do with changing characters. Oh, we're getting up pretty high here. Whoa. Just keep moving, guys. I'm stuck. We have to leave him. Yeah. And that day we lost our first dwarf to a rock. We lost our first dwarf to a rock. I remember when I was in battle and I lost my first lottie. Okay, Matthew. Was I talking to you? And plus I told you to go. And by go, I mean don't come back. Come on, Lottie. I'm a good ignition to the show. Sure, the only thing you're igniting is how annoying you are. Jump! Jump! Why'd you guys not jump? Well, I can't blame them.
Where's the Hobbit?
I would have jumped too. Help! Oh no, he's gonna fall! I'm getting out of here. Just drop me. Yes, I'm sorry. Bilbo should have died. He should have died. The umbrella's not big enough. Held it too high. Held it too high to the sky. Yeah, okay, that is my least favorite level in this game. Over hill and under hill, over here and under there, underwear in your mouth with a basket, in your mouth with a basketball.
Stone giants thundered in distance. The company over the walls shore gathered their bearings and desperately sought a cave in which they could take shelter from the storm.
Hey! Laddie! Was that Dracula? No, that was Christopher Lee. Right? Or was that the guy that was in Back to the Future? I'm pretty sure I remember watching Dracula when I was a laddie. Even I'm not Irish, but I know if you were a true Irish person, you would have said, when I was a wee little laddie. Shut up, you Englishman. Well, one, I'm not a man. I'm a 11-year-old. Get your facts right, dude. I need another guy. Thorin Oakenshield. Ooh, I wonder what's in this cave. We'll find out next time on Lego the Hobbit. I'll see you then. Chocolate.